Hi friends, welcome to Madmix. My name is Matthews and I am doing app marketing. This video is specially for app developers to help them increase app downloads with zero budget. Today we are discussing about app localization, a powerful tool to increase the downloads exponentially. But very few are using this. I don't know why. Maybe because lack of awareness. Keep this important point in mind that not everyone in the world speaks English. If you take a look at this, you can easily understand the importance of app localization. English has only third position in the most spoken languages in the world. So, if you don't localize your app, you are missing a great opportunity to reach more users. Everyone knows about the great success of Angry Birds. But few of us know how they make it. Angry Birds was not an overnight success. The sales were pretty slow for several months and it took a lot of work to make it success. One of the most important tricks they used was translation or localization. Angry Birds entered less competitive language markets first. After they had succeeded in them, the Angry Birds had the credibility and experience to proceed to more competitive markets. Simple but practical and powerful trick. The English speaking market is the most competitive market. Smaller language areas offers great downloads with less competitors. By entering new language areas, you are not only bypass your competition, but you will also increase your total market. Thus, you will get more downloads because you have both more potential clients and less competitors. So why are you waiting? Start today itself. You can do it in your Google Play console itself. Translation cost is just $0.07 per word. My personal suggestion to the developers is first translate your title and short descriptions only. That's enough for beginners. You can do more after getting more results. Also, you can contact us at any time. We are here to help you in app marketing. We are also doing translation works and other ASO works for beginners. We are making more videos on app marketing, so please don't forget to subscribe to keep in touch. Thanks for watching. See you soon.